It is that time, ladies and gentlemen. So the stock market just ended up closing less than a minute ago, and we had Bed Bath & Beyond stock go up around 2.7%. So I figured, hey, let's do a quick update. We'll break down the charts. We'll go over key levels. What am I doing with Bed Bath & Beyond stock? Did I buy more? Did I sell out? We're going to break down everything in this video. So if you find value, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you guys want to see more content like this. And don't forget to get your free stocks from Moomoo, up to 15 free stocks, each up to $2,000. Guys, it is a no-brainer. Use that link down below or go to stassurfest.com/Moomoo. Get your stocks. We'll talk more about that later. And with that being said, cheers, guys. Let's dive right into the video. So today, Bed Bath & Beyond stock now trading under BBBYQ. You guys probably know that the Q has been, at the end of this ticker for about 2 weeks at this point, maybe less, maybe a little bit more. I don't know, guys. I'm losing track of time. But either way, this stock ended up going up a little bit today. Not anything crazy, but it did go up 2.7% roughly on the day. It went up 0.004 cents, so about half of a penny is what it went up today, and it closed at roughly 19 cents on the day, as you guys can see here at the top. So what we had today, guys, really was a pure consolidation day. Really, that's it. We didn't have any huge moves in either direction. Well, I guess in the morning we did see a little bit of volatility, right at open, which makes sense. Usually that's the most, active time for any stock out there. The most trading goes on in the first 30 minutes to an hour. We saw a lot of volume in the morning. Then it started to die off heading into the middle of the day. Then volume spiked back up. You guys can see the blue bars down here. Volume spiked back up a little bit more towards the, end of the day, heading into power hour. But still, guys, it was nothing crazy today. Nothing really eventful ended up happening, and sometimes that is a good sign. The fact that we didn't get a huge sell-off today, huge dump, that's a good sign. The bulls are holding strong, and, we consolidated. We consolidated at around 18, 19 cents, which really is what we did yesterday as well. If you guys take a look, yesterday in the morning, we got down to around 18 cents. If I zoom in, you guys will be able to see it. We hit 18 cents, saw a bit of a rally to about 19.7, almost 20 cents, and pretty much that's where we were chopping for the majority of the day yesterday. Then we had a little run in the middle of the day, more towards the end at about 2 p.m. Then we ended up selling off into close. We closed at around 19 cents, and again, that's pretty much where we held all day today. So just consolidation, guys, just simply consolidation today and yesterday. And if I'm a bull here, which I am a bull, I own shares and I don't plan on selling, guys, I want to see this break back over 20 cents. That is the golden number here, at least in the very, very, very short term. So I'm going to set my alert at 20 cents. Mark is at or above. And again, it needs to break out of there, because not only is that the high from earlier today, but it's pretty much where we got rejected at yesterday all throughout the day. You guys probably remember that. I mean, look, back in, the start of power hour, even before that, I think it was at about 2 p.m. Yeah, we hit 20 cents at 2 p.m., got rejected, hit it again at 2:45, got rejected, and again at about 3:45, and guess what? We got rejected at 20 cents and then ended up selling off into close. So BBYQ needs to take out that 20 cents, and from that point, guys, I'm confident it could start exploding yet again. And if we pop up the 5-day, 5-minute, you're going to notice, this consolidation stems back not only from, today and yesterday, but the day before as well. That was on what's today? Thursday. So we're talking Wednesday and then Tuesday, right? Tuesday, we were consolidating pretty much. Of course, it was a bit choppy on Tuesday, but we held steady at about 20 cents, 19 cents all day on Tuesday. And look at this. On Monday, we can see, if I zoom in on Monday's price action, we were failing to break out of 19 pretty much all day, 19 cents, until the end of the day, right around power hour. That's where we broke out and went all the way to 23 cents. You guys remember that, right? So if I extend this to the right, you guys are going to notice, wait a second, we are holding the highs from Monday today as support. We held them yesterday as support and the day before. So that goes to show that the bulls are holding strong above 18, 19 cents, and that's a very good sign. You guys have to realize, and I've been saying this a lot throughout these, Bed Bath & Beyond videos, we're not going to see massive moves every single day. That's unrealistic. It's not going to happen. Sometimes we see consolidation, and sometimes that is a win. To me, that's a W. It's a W for the bulls. The fact that we held that point all week, Now let's see if we can use this as a launching pad, whether it's tomorrow, whether it's at some point next week, to get us past, again, the 20-cent mark, which is huge. Then from there, the 23-cent mark. You guys are going to notice 23 cents is also a big level of resistance throughout the course of this week. Let me actually set my alert at 23 cents right now. You guys can see that was the high from yesterday. We hit roughly 23 cents, a little bit under 23 cents, but it was also on the 10th. You guys can see here we hit it, 23 cents. And earlier this week, I believe on Monday and Tuesday morning, Monday after the bell or near the close, then Tuesday morning we hit 23 cents as well. So needless to say, guys, that point needs to break. So my alerts are at 23 cents, and if we start getting out of those levels, guys, this, in my opinion, will start to explode, and who knows where it could go from there. I mean, if we break 23 cents, let's draw out some levels here. Maybe we could start going 27 cents. You guys can see that was the low from this time period right here. When was that? That was back in the end of April. You guys can see we held 27 cents. Then if that were to break, maybe we start running 31 cents. If I draw this out, you guys will see 31 cents. That was the high from the 17th of April. That's where where we could be going. If that were to break, we're talking now 37 cents. That was the high from the 21st of April. This could really start gaining momentum, but we just have to wait and see if we use that 18, 19, 20 cents level as a launching pad, which right now we're not showing any signs of a breakout. We have to be patient and wait for it. But a good sign is, on top of what I just mentioned, we have a golden cross on this 20-day chart. We're still above both moving averages on this 20-day chart. And if I pull up the 4-hour time frame, you guys can see we're now right above the 50 SMA, but we're still a good ways away from the 180 SMA, which who knows if we ever get back there. I think we will ultimately, but time will tell, guys. We have a lot of resistance points coming up before we get back to that 180 SMA, which is right around 41 cents. We're going to have to, plow through 20, 23, 26 cents. We're going to have to break 31 cents and roughly 37 cents. So, this is looking decent. Consolidation, again, is what we've been seeing throughout the entire week this week. And now we have to wait and see if we get direction or, a pop tomorrow, maybe at some point next week. That is what I'm waiting for as of right now. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments as always, and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you have not done so already. And full disclosure, guys, I own Bed Bath & Beyond stock. It's a small position for me, very small, speculative. It's a pure gamble at this point. I'll be honest, I'm not one of these guys that has all their money in Bed Bath & Beyond. In my opinion, that is not financially responsible. I mean, this, for all we know, could go to zero at some point. We're gambling at the end of the day. So I'm in this. My average cost is 41 cents. I haven't bought more since the last time I bought, which was at 29.5 cents, if I remember correctly. 29, somewhere right there. I brought my average cost down from 81 cents to 41 cents by buying at 29.5, and I'm holding on, guys. I'm holding on, and at this point, if we have another 100% run, pretty much I'll be back at break even, which I think is definitely in the cards. But again, it's a gamble. We can't bank on it 100% because nobody knows what the heck's going to happen in the future. So with that being said, again, hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to get up to 15 stocks from Moomoo using that link down below or over here to the side, or you guys can go to StasSurfS.com/Moomoo. Once you open up an account, you get 1 free share of stock right off the bat, and once you fund your account with at least $100, you get 4 more stocks totaling 5 stocks, and once you fund your account with at least $1,000, are you ready for this? You get 10 more stocks totaling 15 free stocks. So if you guys want some free money and you want to help out the channel, use that Moomoo link down below or go to StasSurfS.com/Moomoo and check out the Patreon if you guys want to be a part of the Discord. You want to see me build out my Patreon portfolio, which I actually just bought more stock in that portfolio today. All of that's on Patreon. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys later.